welcome to Michigan Life above the 45th parallel.
I'm Jason.
And I'm Clarissa.
Welcome back to the property.
Yep.
We're home.
But now we're back up above the 45th parallel and we're ready to get things rocking again.
Back at our home site, and we're gonna have some friends up this weekend.
In today's episode,
I think getting down to the clearing.
do a little bit of chainsaw action.
Yeah, just some of the big trees. Got extra hand here, so might as well
Utilize.
So big.
That'll be good.
So a few little things
So
today.
good.
Tag along, see what we got going on.
I bet a bald eagle lives up there.
I know. Whatever does live up there, sorry, you're gonna be losing your treetop.
The tree home is gone.
Yep.
You'll have to find another tree home.
Yep.
Doodle, you're gonna be just nasty. Laying in the nice cool wood.
Let me just get this out of the way so we don't have to.
We kind of want to go that way. I'll knock this, we'll have to push it. Let's hit this side. Drop this one right through here.
That's probably gonna fall this way. But you could try to go that way.
You think it's gonna go that way? I think it's just leaning this way. Got more branches that way.
Yeah, it's just come out like that, but then it goes that way.
And the trunk goes this way here. I think it's gonna go
That's
there.
right, it should go that way.
Both of these kind of lean back from where I want them to go.
Right, yeah, that one's almost going backwards.
I know, and I want it to come out. If I knocked it there and you push on the back, when I do the back cut, it should go. I'll start pushing once it gets
Make a
close.
big enough notch in the front.
Let's see what happens with this back. We'll try here.
crazy.
Heads up.
Go ahead.
Wasn't attack. Alright, I got you 3. Good. Good. Thank you.
Yay.
Do not try this at
Yeah,
home.
just touch it. They didn't actually grow together. Alright.
It's made a pretty good mark on the side of the tree, that being there though.
Nope. Get the dog.
Doodle.
Nope.
Yoshi. Come on. Get over here.
Getting closer. Having to do that one. Oh, loosened up.
Giant mess going on here.
Yeah.
Getting close to the big guy. We're doing a dropper today.
We got the arena of stumps. Careful of the stumps. They will knock you on your booty. Once our spot's cleared, this is going to be such an awesome view. Oh, I'm going to be sad to see our gangster lane tree go, but alas, it must be done. Gotta save the best for last. And a cup
I
of
don't have my camera anymore. So.
Yo, cheese.
Where's Gene?
It should. It's lean far enough to where you think it would. We can always climb up it and like jump up and down on it and get it.
What if I just do a small notch? It's got a little cantilever and then back cut it so it'll eventually just break off and nothing will stop it from falling.
Try it. Whatever you feel comfortable with. So this will just kill the spider.
What?
Those lantern bugs up there.
You don't need to be killing bugs. You just leave them bugs alone. This is where they live.
Bugs